Hey y'all, so we literally worked in the sunshine garden until it's no longer sunshine. So all day. But we got a lot done. Ooh, mosquitoes coming out, y'all. Georgia. Anyways, we got a lot done. We were able to hoe out the entire garden to include the secret garden area, pull up all of the winter veggies so we can place them in that secret garden location. And now we have things landscape fabric and clear for the main garden itself. It started raining a little bit, but we got a little rain dance in, and it's a beautiful night. It stopped raining, but the sun is gone. If you guys have stayed tuned this far, thank you for joining me while we work today in the rain in Sunshine Garden. Like and subscribe. Take care.